plus bj divided by square root a squared plus b squared. Okay, this is unit vector. I believe your maths also learned before already. Then position vector AB. Now people ask you for, so position vector AB, right, means that OB minus OA. Then what if people ask you about position vector of X? What does it mean? It means OX. From O to X. Okay, this AB is from A to B. Okay, so if people ask you just like X only, it means OX. If they ask you position vector of C, right, it will be OC. Okay, then the next one is called parallel and collinear. Okay, so parallel and collinear means that they have the same directions, but you must remember same direction only must be the same length? No. Okay, right, just like I cannot say the kind of thing. Okay, so you see, all these three are the same direction, but they are not the same length. Okay, so this is, let's say this is A, this might be 2A, this might be 4A. Okay, so it's like double scale factor. Okay, so like this. Then whenever you see these two keywords, right, you must automatically write this one already. AB equals to KCD, AB equals to HCD, that kind of stuff. Okay, then be careful of the ratio. And you might need to consider about the triangle similarity of the triangle. Okay, similarity of triangle. Okay, the next one is the velocity already. Relative velocity. Not relative velocity, velocity vectors. Okay, relative velocity is already removed from the syllabus already. So this is the vectors velocity. Okay, so so in your textbook or whatever, they will tell you R equals to A plus TB or whatever. Okay, so I cannot remember this one because I think this is very dangerous. I prefer to write in sentence. Okay, so we have few things to remember. The first one is called position vector equations. Okay, position vector equation means that where are you, your current position plus your velocity times time. So example, the object A is at 1, 2, okay, at 10 a.m. He is moving at the velocity of 3, 4. Okay, so I always write in column vector. Okay, column vector easy no need to write so many I and J. Okay, save my energy. Okay, I always write in column vector, this kind of form, X, Y. Okay, so what is my position vector of A? Position vector of A from 10 a.m. it will be equals to 1, 2 plus 3, 4 times time. So that's my position vector of A. This is how we write the equations. Okay, why I need to say until like this? Why I cannot just say R equals to the A plus don't know VT can already Okay, because it's very dangerous one if you just remember the formula. Okay, because why I need to write current position because if let's say for example, this is the position at 10 a.m. then you have this equation. Then what if I want to find the position vector of A at 12 p.m. Do I still use 1, 2 plus 3, 4 times time? No, I can't use it already. Okay, because the formula told me that I want the current position at the time, which is 12 p.m. Then I can easily know that I need to find the position at 12 p.m. first. Then I can put inside here, and then I can get my equations. Okay, so I always tell my students that to understand better, you just remember current position plus velocity times time. Where are you, and then what is your velocity you are going, and then what is the time. Okay, so that's the equations. Okay, then after that we got a speed law. Okay, how do we change the velocity to speed? Okay, so if you take physics, you know that speed is just magnitude. Okay, therefore is just the magnitude of the velocity, square root a squared plus b squared. So like for example, this question, they say that, oh, position vector of after t second is this one. So what is my speed there? Oh, so where is my velocity? Here, this is my v, this is my current position. Okay? So therefore, my speed will be square root 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to 13. Okay? Depends on the unit. It can be unit per second, unit per hour, I don't know. Okay. Then the next one is, depending on question 1 the unit. Okay, the next one, how do we change speed to velocity? We got two types of questions they will ask you. The first one is people give you direction. Okay, now they already write for you, obviously they write direction already. It's not position vector. You don't go and take the position vector and then multiply it. People say direction. Okay, so how do we do this thing? Okay, we just do velocity is equals to the speed multiplied by the unit vector. Okay, so it will be 20 multiplied by 3i plus 4j divided by square root 3 squared plus 4 squared. So your answer will be 12i plus 16j. Okay, or you can write as 12 and 16 as your v also can. Okay, this is very easy, the unit vector. So I think they usually come out this one.